We are here with another video today showing you guys how to increase the bass response of your 2025 and up Explorer. Make sure that speed compensated is turned off. Sound mode, if you have surround sound settings like I do, turn it to stereo. The surround sound reduces the bass in the rear and focuses everything up front. And then move this back. It is positioned normally a little bit up here. Move this back about to there. Try to center it up as best as you can with the vehicle. It forces the rear half of the vehicle to produce more bass. Then lastly but not least, you'll want to go into tone. You actually don't want to take this all the way up. Set it to about +3. Take mid-range down to -2 to eliminate some of those highs. You can either leave treble alone or reduce it by 1. This should give you the most bass out of your B&O system without having to do an upgraded sub, upgrade the speakers, do an extra amp, run external wiring, stuff like that. Let me know what you guys think, what your experiences is on it. I've been loving the stereo since I changed this.